Erich Gonzalez ng Cebu.
Si Eric na kumanta ng Diamonds.
Diamond! Isa na lang girl.
Ay, from one singer to another.
Oo nga.
Wala nang iba yan kung hindi si.
Nako, ito nga. Si Maruya Carey. Carey mo, girl.
Very naman yan. Papatikimin muna kita ng kanta dahil bilang kumanta ka kanina.
Ay,
Parang lalaki yung bubog si Maraya.
Akala ko ipatitikin mo Maruya. Ano ka ba?
May jet lang.
Sige, go!
Oy, the whistling diva.
Ang daming ibon dito.
tuloy ang naging ibon na.
Grabe ka, parang ang laki mong bird.
Okay, Erich, here's your question. From Oliver the Divas. If you're given a chance to be a cartoon character, who will it be and why?
Well, there's a lot of cartoon characters, but I chose the Phoenix.
Sige lang.
Parang kang si Paolo dun sa pagkagulat mo dun, ha? Sino daw?
The Phoenix.
The
The
Phoenix.
Phoenix in the X-Men.
Okay.
All right.
Because the Phoenix is a rising bird and then comes from the ashes, and I can feel that that is about life. That we come from the ashes and then we will live. It's a promising and reincarnation is promised with the Phoenix. And so I would like to live again in the future, just like the Phoenix.
Ano masasabi mo, Maruya? Then that is the Phoenix bird. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Eric.